What up guys, this is Pastor Canavi again. We're coming up with another tutorial. I haven't done a tutorial for a while, but now we're coming up. I feel like doing a tutorial now in CSS animations and also a little bit to JavaScript. So this is the final product. What's going to happen if this video really helped you, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So this is what's going to happen. We got a background, like a galaxy background right here, kind of that little field. So we got a start button, we got a stop button, so let's see, the start button is going to spin the box, the stop is going to stop, right? Cool. So we're going to be working on this. All right, so all right, I got my editor ready to go. So right here, so far I have my body and my okay, right here I got my class going to be galaxy. So the background for the body is going to be black, which is already there, and the galaxy has all of these different animations bodies right here. So far I have that right here. So what we're going to be adding right now is going to be the container where the box is going to be and the button is going to, which is going to be in the center. All right, let's work on that. All right, let's do another div inside this. We're going to call it center, and now we are going to do in here we're going to do another div. So we're going to call this rotate, which is going to be the box. Okay, let's all right, so let's do the button. It's going to be two buttons right here. So we're going to do right here start, and then we're going to give it an ID. An ID equals to start 2. Start. Okay, cool. And there's going to be another button, which is going to be our stop button. Stop. Okay, also we're going to give it an ID of, we'll do stop. Okay, so we got that. Let's save that and see what we got. So it's not ready yet. Let's see. It's the start button, stop right here. Okay, cool. That's what we have so far. Let's go back right here. Let's go to our CSS style right here, and let's give this box a life. So it's going to be rotate. So an ID rotate, and we're going to be doing right here height. We're going to give it 300 pixels, and then a width of 300 pixels too. And then we have a background, earth color background that I looked up. Let's copy that. Okay, let's see what we got so far. Oh, something's going on. Let's see, did I save it? Rotate, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, I get rid of class. Supposed to be an ID, because we're going to be using that for our JavaScript. Okay, and now should be good. All right, we got the box and we got our buttons. So now we gotta center those two. Let's go back right here. Let's let's go back and let's just go right here. Let's go to a class which is going to be center. Oh man. So we're going to do right here position absolute absolute, and then we're going to give it a top. It's going to be 30%, and then we're going to go left, which is going to be 45%. Okay, cool. So that should move everything to the middle, which that's what it is right now. Cool. Now let's go back, and now let's give a little bit of margin top to our buttons. Our button, let's just give it that little margin right there on the bottom. So it's going to be 100 pixels from the top, and then we have a width for the buttons, which is going to be at 100 pixels too. And then we're going to have background. Background we have going to be blue, and then we have color for the text is going to be white. We save that and see what we got. Okay, cool, that's what we want. So now let's just do our animation. Right, let's do our animation. So we're going to let's just do right here animation. So we want, let's see what we got, 0.1 second, and we want to call this a spin now. Infinite, it's going to go and go and go. Infinite linear. Okay, no, actually that's in our button. We don't need that in our button, what I'm doing. So we need this here and rotate, because that's our box right there. And now we're going to use keyframes, and we'll give it, we give it the name of spin now, right? And we are going to do 100%. We're going to do transform, rotate 360 degrees, right? And that should keep my square or my box spinning. Right, that's spinning right there. So this is with a CSS. So the buttons don't work yet. It's spinning. Okay. So now let's fix that really quick. So let's just do our JavaScript. Okay, right here. So let's see what we got. Okay, we're going to do a variable name var. Going to put button 1 equals to document that query. I'm going to use the query selector. Query selector. Document query selector. Okay. And we're going to use our ID, which is for that first button, which is a start, right? And then we're in the semicolon, and then let's just copy this and just do the second button. which is going to be button 2. So right here we get an ID of stop. Okay, we got that. So let's work for the first one. Button 1 that add event listener. Okay, then we're going to have the click, and then we're going to do function parentheses curly brackets, and then we're going to do rotate that style that animation equals. Okay, so right here, so we need all of this right here inside our JavaScript right here. Let's close that with the semicolon. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so let's see what we have so far. Let's go semicolon. Let's save that. Let's see what we got. Okay, if we start, it should work. Okay, start works. The stop button doesn't do anything yet because we haven't done anything yet. Okay, cool. Let's go back to our code. So now let's copy all of this. Copy and paste it right there on the bottom, which is going to be button 2. We just gotta change that, and then right here we just gotta get rid of all of this. Has to be empty, and that should make our button a stop, right? Okay, let's save that. Let's go back, refresh that, start, stop, start, stop. Man, that worked. Alright guys, thank you for checking the video. Hopefully this helped you out. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's keep growing slowly but surely. Alright, have a good night. See you later. Bye.